With all the data that we have, data is like the oil of this century. The more data we get, the more information we get. That's how we can make better informed decisions, not only for the organizations, but ultimately for a better world. Today, we have an ever-changing landscape.
Tools like AI can offer very good solutions in minimal time.
We are not stopping the student to use AI. We also encourage them how to use the best technologies in the world to help you to get the insight.
We're going to be solving problems much faster than we used to. They need a competitive edge, so that's what we hope to provide.
The business analytics course provides a perfect balance between the technical knowledge and the business acumen you need in order to have a career in data analytics.
They will have technical skills, programming skills, but also business insights.
Companies are looking at the students from Bath because they know how extensively we are taught here. If a person wants to deep dive in a subject, I would say Bath is the best place to be in.
The way that the course is designed is that they also have hands-on experience.
The students have the opportunities to work with companies in the destinations. We also have the guest lectures from the industry.
Since day one, the School of Management really focuses on preparing you for life after graduation.
Some of the careers that our students would aim for include data scientists, data analysts, predictive analytics experts, but also forecasting scientists.
Everybody is looking for people who are able to understand the data, analyze it, and make managerial insights out of it.
When you look around, you should be able to see problems that others don't. I want to see the spark in their eyes. What can I learn and what can I do with it?
The future of business analytics will never stop.
It's the future of business. It's the way to make smart business decisions. Learning this now is definitely going to open up really nice opportunities for me in the future.
Bath is one of the best cities you could be in. MSc in Business Analytics, it has completely changed my mindset. It has completely changed what I used to think about myself or even technologies.
It's a really rewarding experience.